Okay, now the next question coming is from Philip. Now, Philip is asking about this because I actually included the video that you posted your comment on because I just want to have the synchronization to make sure that you're looking at the same thing as I am, right? So Philip is asking, when is my next class? Unfortunately, you only see the video this month of June. So I would assume that you see this video, meaning that you watch this free training. Now, guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, especially if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, I actually have a lot of free resources available, like free trainings like this one, the Shopee, Boost Shopee and Lazada store sales with Facebook ads. This is a 1 hour free training. So all you need to do is just to go to my channel and look up for free training. Then you have quite a number of them, right? In fact, if I'm not mistaken, I have a playlist named free training. Let me go and check whether I make it, public. I will. So by the time you watch this video, I probably have already made it public. So go there and look for all the free trainings that I put up for you. These are all useful trainings that gives you very important ideas about how to run ads successfully for specific industries. Okay, so I even had one training talking about chatbot, right? I mean, I talk about a lot of things. So these are all free resources. So indulge yourself, enjoy yourself, browsing my YouTube videos. In the past 1 year, I've actually created more than 400 videos. There must be some answers to your questions that you need. So go over there and have fun. Now, Philip is talking about the class that is being featured by the end of this free training, which is my 6-day challenge. Now, let me tell you this, Philip, if you want to learn with me in my 6-day challenge, you can do it anytime now because this is a very latest announcement. Now, you can actually go to this link and sign up for my 6-day challenge, which is my signature Facebook ads training for those who want to jumpstart your Facebook ads campaign. So whether you are new to Facebook ads, this is suitable for you. And if you have been running ads on Facebook, you still can't kind of get the hang of it, kind of like can't really get the good hold of the whole framework or the structure, how to do this and that right. This is for you now. 6-day challenge. Last time we used to do it in 6 days in a row, but now we have already kind of like put it together into a 6 hours training. Now, 6 lessons, 1 hour each. 1 hour each. All you do here is that you go in one lesson, I'll teach you one key thing, and you have your homework, get it done. Once it's done, you can continue with the second lesson, and there will be a homework, get it done, then you will be rolled into the third lesson, you have homework. 6 days down the road, you will learn how to build your Facebook ads campaign in an entire different way using my 2-step funnel framework. Now, my 2-step funnel framework is a proven Facebook advertising framework that have guided thousands of Facebook advertisers in 26 countries, guided tens of millions in Facebook ad spend, proven. Now, if you follow the framework to the dot, it's not going to go wrong, right? So 6-day challenge is the best way for you to kickstart if you want to learn Facebook ads. I already put the link over here. So this is actually where you go in. All right, and the bonus right now, the moment you watch this video, if you come in slightly later, the bonus may be gone. So don't ask me, hey, Jason, how come I watched that video? I saw the bonus, now it's no more. Of course, bonus, right? It's time sensitive. So if you missed it, you missed it, okay? Now, the bonus right now is if you sign up to the 6-day challenge, you get a 1 session of 30 minutes one-to-one with me, meaning that you get a full of me for 30 minutes for you to ask any questions regarding Facebook advertising. So that's the bonus right now because we just launched this new format of 6-day challenge. So it's very interesting. So go for this link, go in and sign up. You're not gonna regret this thing, trust me. It has been actually, this 6-day challenge itself was experienced by 800 over people from tens of countries. So it's really a proven learning experience that you must not miss, okay? So that's for Philip.